Now let's learn our 9 times table. 0 times 9 is 0. 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18, because if we have two groups of 9 counters, we have 18 counters altogether. 3 times 9 is 27, because if we have three groups of 9 counters, we have 27 counters. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 times 9 is 54. 7 times 9 is 63. 8 times 9 is 72. 9 times 9 is 81. 10 times 9 is 90. 11 times 9 is 99. And 12 times 9 is 108.